First of all, ask your partner how they like to give and receive feedback. For example, some people like compliments at the beginning or the end of their feedback. Others like to be asked beforehand whether it's a good time to exchange feedback. Follow your partner's preferences. Once the actual conversation begins, share what you're noticing before explaining your feelings and making a request. This could sound like, I'm noticing that every time we eat, I'm the one who does the dishes afterwards. When that happens, I feel frustrated. I'm wondering if you could help do the dishes after dinner more often. Are you willing to do that? Then the other person says yes or no. This type of communication de-escalates defensiveness by allowing both people to open their hearts and to not feel blame, shame, or guilt.